Hey everyone, welcome back to Dudimoney's channel, forecasting forex analysis, and let's take a look at dollar Swiss for the next week as well as for this month. So as you can see here, I have showing you this one, the monthly chart for dollar Swiss, and we have seen a quite clear downtrend all the way from back in 2003, and I have drawn again this resistance and the support line for the analysis. And if we could see here, the price is going down and down and down, and the thing is that we have a very what you call that, not so hawkish comments from Feds, and the dollar index also is just at the lows. So these are all causing a lot of problem, as well as the Swiss being considered as a new safe haven currency. So so that's why there's a lot of money and going into Swiss, and leading to sell off in dollars. So coming back to this chart, we can see that the price is retracing and is reaching the support line here, and I would think that next week we may see some correction in this pair actually, because it's nearing this support line, and then the price may not touch this line. It's not necessary that the price touch this line. There are three possibilities. Okay, the first thing is that the price can really start retracing, retracing and all the way back up here for a correction from this point onwards, which is 8924, which is the Friday's close, or the price can come further down and hit the support line and bounce from this line. Okay, that's the second scenario. And the third scenario is the price can breach this support, but it will be back above this line to close above this line for that day, so, or for that month, since this chart is a monthly chart. So what I see is that since the price is approaching the support line now, I think for the best that needs to be very careful here not to sell at this time, and just wait for the price to go up, to make some correction, and then you make a sell. But at this moment I think it's a good one for the bulls, because I think you can, if at all the price go down, then we can still see 85. Okay, but not this month. Maybe if the scenario continues to be less hawkish in US, then it could be possible that we can see 85 in 85 level in Swiss dollar Swiss. So otherwise I could see that bulls have a clear advantage of going a short-term buying opportunity here, and then can target maybe like 95 area from here, or 94 95 area, before it can resume the downtrend, or if at all there is a good news from the US, and then we are still expecting interest rate hike of 25 bps by the end of this year from Fed. So maybe that can trigger some sort of a bullish reaction in US dollar. So we can see that 95 or a parity, because even I would like you guys to take a look at the forecast. I just follow some of them, maybe like a Duke's copy forecast, and in that many of the organizations, the banks, they put forth their analysis, and what actually the price will be, something like that. They want to see the price will be something like that. So in that case, they see that the Swiss franc, dollar Swiss franc hitting the parity within the next 3 months. So what I think is that if you want to go long for the short term, okay, for the intraday traders or in a matter of traders who just want to keep their positions open for the short term, then I think you can make a buy and keep a stop loss of well below 85 or exactly at 8500 or something, if you can really take that loss of around 400 pips. Otherwise, if you want to really have a tight stop loss, then I think you can wait for a close below this, and then you make a buy, or you just or if you can see that next on a daily chart, if I were to spot the daily chart here. Okay, so look at this one. This one is a support here at 924, because this was the low which we have seen when the Japanese earthquake during that time, and then now we are approaching that, and we have sort of a hold on to that support line. So if we are breaking this line, let's say if we are breaking this support, then I think you can wait for the price to come back and close above this, and then you make a buy. Otherwise, you let the price go down, and then you can make a buy, clear buy, maybe around this 8800 area or something like that. Because what I see is that the price at this range, because we have clear support here at this range, whatever below this, I think it's short-lived. It has to move back up, and then resume its downtrend, maybe after after the correction of some few hundred pips. So if you have any queries, please drop a comment on my YouTube videos, which you can see in Dudimoney's channel. So I would love to get back to you, and I would post my correction, and if at all there's some mistakes or something like that regarding the technicals, and if at all you have some other analysis on this pair, then please do post it, and we can have a discussion on that. So I will definitely come back on Swiss franc analysis next time. So till then, God bless all.